2006 INFINITI G35. What we got done on it is a whole system, a SPEC-D. So it has aftermarket high flow converters there and there. They were installed somewhere else. Then he brought it to us and we installed this complete system on it for him. Old stainless steel SPEC-D. So it's got two flex pipes, one here. Got two resonators in the middle, then 2.5 inch pipe or 2.25 pipe all the way back. Then it's got two mufflers on it, there and there. There it is. That's what you guys can see. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's a SPEC-D system. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for it. There it is, SPEC-D Performance. Really nice system, really. I love stainless steel. They're so good to look at. SPEC-D. 116. Wow, that's awesome. I heard a little rattle, so we made sure to fix that, guys. That's why we stopped for a second. It happens sometimes, but as long as we catch it, that's the best part. What do you guys think? I like it. That's so good. A lot of blowback though, but it's okay. Or some exhaust scavenge. Still sounds mean though. There you guys go. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. SPEC-D INFINITI G35. He's still working on it. It's his project. Get on it, don't disappoint. Yeah, I like that laugh. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you.